Printroo TPU90A. Anti-static options available, safe for electronics. Superior flex retention, no stiffness over time. High puncture resistance withstands sharp impacts. Dimensional stability, consistent part performance,